Hey there and welcome back to another video. For today, I'm going to show you how to create bookings on either Microsoft Outlook or your Microsoft Calendars account. So, making bookings using your Microsoft account is the easiest thing ever and creates such an organized and proper way of keeping track of your scheduling and bookings. So, on your Microsoft Outlook dashboard, go to the center and look for the Use Email and Calendar together in one place, and choose Visit Calendar to look at your Microsoft calendar. From here, we can see an option to create a new event and set the calendar to be viewed in either days, work weeks, weeks, or months. For now, to create a custom booking, let's create a new calendar by clicking Add Calendar on the left side. From here, click on Create Blank Calendar. Here, we can name our new blank calendar and even personalize it with different icons. Then, we can add this blank calendar to the list of calendars we already have for this account. Now, in order to create a new booking, let's create a new event by clicking New Event on the upper left-hand side. For the purposes of this video, we're going to create an event for a sports fest. So we're going to title this event, Event for Sports Fest. We can set the exact time and date for this said event, and even search for the location of the event. We can also set a description for said event by editing the text box as shown here. Once you've made your new event, you can see it displayed on the calendar like so. We can even share the said booking or event to other accounts in order to collaborate with other people on said event. If you right-click it, you can see a lot of different options that you can change the event, time, place, and so forth. And there you go. You've now created your first event or booking on Microsoft Calendars. It really is as simple as that, and make sure to organize your calendars the right way to stay on top of your organization game. And that's all for now. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and if you have any other questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment below. Leave a like to this video if you learned something new, and subscribe to this channel if you enjoy this kind of content. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and we'll see you all in the next one. Take care.